Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the open cock sling triple cock ring by the Bonus Collection. So let's get started. So this is the open cock sling triple cock ring itself. And this cock ring and ball stretcher from the Bonus Collection makes sure that your penis and balls are pushed forward in a provocative way. It tightly wraps around your penis and balls in silicone rings, as you can see here, and makes every sensation feel more intense. Your testicles will swell up more and become more sensitive. It's made of a soft silicone material, so it's very soft and smooth on the skin and will feel really comfortable during use as well. It's also flexible for the perfect fit. The rings are also extra thick for maximum comfort too. Now, when using this triple cock ring, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the ring after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the open cock sling triple cock ring by the Bonus Collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.